Hello, this is Introduction to Advanced 3D Printing. So first you're going to open Onshape. Then you're going to create a new document. Name it Hello CIM. I like to choose the top view because it makes 3D printing easier. Sketch plane. And then edit, accidentally clicked off. Create a rectangle. I'm going to make this 2.5 by 1 inch. Then you can extrude. I like to do it 2 millimeters, as this is supposed to be a keychain or a small piece which you can take with you. Then you're going to sketch, select the face of the extrude one. You are going to click text, add text, extrude this, adding some detail. If you look at it from the side view, you can see that it bulges out. Then you're going to want to add another sketch on the face of one. Add a circle. Select this, remove. That adds a hole, so if you wanted to make a keychain, you can make it a keychain. I also like to chamfer the edges for this project, which makes them smoother, specifically the edge next to the keychain. I think it makes it a little more fun. There we go. Then you're going to import this into your assembly. Insert Part 1. And then you are going to export it as a file. Name the file. And then you're done, as it shows it downloaded.